T-fal all-in-one dishwasher safe cookware set in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 9,943 ratings and 2,850 reviews. 92% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Second set. We purchased this set for our camper after purchasing a larger set for our home. We have an electric stove in our house and use propane in the camper. Either way, these cook like a dream. And the cleanup? Super easy. Would definitely recommend to anyone needing a sturdy, easy to use and clean cookware set." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Misleading picture. I thought all of them were part of titanium series, but only 2 of them are. Pots are all normal, 2 pans are from their titanium series. That's it.